How to adjust chart height on WillTrade. Hello and welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to make your chart look cleaner and easier to read on WillTrade, you can simply go ahead and adjust its height. Launch open the WillTrade application first to get started. Once you are logged into your account and once you're in the home page, go ahead and click on Market from the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside, select one of the currency pair you would want to open the chart page for. In the chart page for the selected currency pair, go ahead and tap on the gear icon on the right corner at the top and then scroll down. You'll see the chart height option. Drag the slider right underneath chart height and choose your chart height according to your preference. Now you can get back to the market tab and you'll be able to see the chart height changed. So from there you can adjust the chart height in WillTrade account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.